Hi, Sissy. This is Nana. I just wanted to have some fun with you and let you know that I can do the hot dog song too from my house. Ready? Of course, it's not working. Oh boy.
Did you walk down the steps with the trash? No,
Hold on, we gotta do it all over again. All over again. Here it is. Hot dog. Hold on, it's coming.
Hot dog, diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot diggity dog.
Dog day!
Hot dog, diggity dog. It's a brand new day, what you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot dog, diggity dog. Hot dog, diggity dog. We're splitting the scene, we're full of beans. So long for now from Mickey Mouse.
That's me!
And the Mickey Mouse Club.
See you real soon!
See you real soon, Sissy. Nana loves you a lot.